Imagine living in Pennsylvania with only 5 surgeons trying to cover the entire state's surgical needs. And 4 of them live in Pittsburgh. This is the situation in Africa. Tenwek Hospital, serving the nation of Kenya, a country more than 5 times the size of Pennsylvania. The surgeons not only race to treat over 8,000 patients per year, they race to train new surgeons. Surgeons who not only treat people, but welcome the ultimate healer into the operating room.
Elijah, you want to pray?
Yes, please. Precious everlasting Father, Son, and Holy Spirit.
The people here have medical needs just like you and me, but on average make only $200 per year. Traveling to the big city to save their family members is an impossibility for most. What the region needs is a growth of local surgeons, citizens from right here in Eastern Africa.
We serve a local area that we think has around 300,000 to 600,000 people in this immediate area, but we are a referral center for millions.
Founded over 50 years ago, Tenwek Hospital has become one of the largest mission hospitals in Africa and is committed to compassionate healthcare, spiritual ministry, and training for service.
Tenwek Hospital trains 10 resident surgeons in a 5-year surgical training program. Surgeons who have committed to working in local hospitals. Surgeons committed to sharing the gospel of Jesus Christ. Kenyans helping Kenyans.
Our primary role is to come and teach, because there are medical schools here and very eager, smart, willing, capable doctors who are Kenyan, that all they need is some training. The quicker we could train people to do these themselves, the better.
Operating under the motto, "We treat, Jesus heals," Tenwek's staff treats more than 120,000 outpatients for dental care, stomach aches, broken bones, HIV follow-up visits, and other health needs in a single year. The hospital, one of the most advanced in the region, also saw more than 14,000 inpatients within a single year and performed over 3,000 major surgeries.
Tenwek's mission statement is 3-pronged. We believe and we are committed to compassionate, Christ-centered healthcare. We are for training, for service, so we want to train people for them to go out, and we're all about spiritual ministry.
I have to say, these are some of the brightest and best young doctors within Kenya that I've seen.
We never take a scalpel on a patient without prayers.
This program is just God ordained.
These are gifted young people who want to use their talents and abilities to serve the Lord.
They are amazing. Some of the residents I have here are phenomenal. They're brilliant, they're eager, they're compassionate. I would be willing to put my life in the hands of many of my residents.
I can honestly tell you that when one of my residents graduates, I would let them operate on me or any one of my family members at any time.
I mean, they are really good. We get the cream of the crop here, and it's a blessing to work with them.
There's a great need for surgeons in Africa, especially Christian surgeons. Without Tenwek's residency program, aspiring young surgeons are often stuck in long, prohibitively expensive secular programs, or worse, forced to choose other career paths entirely.
Tenwek Hospital trains 10 surgical residents at all times at an annual cost of approximately $20,000 per resident. The Pan-African Academy of Christian Surgeons has already committed to funding the first half of these residents' training. We need your help for the other half.
Will you partner with us to train these young African doctors who are committed to taking the gospel of Jesus Christ in its fullest form, in spirit, in soul, and in healing bodies for East Africa?
Tenwek is the place where the words are kind and the hands are gentle.
Will you help? The need is urgent. Please give by visiting wgm.org/Tenwek.